Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text box border color in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the Insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box. Now I am select the box and go to the Insert menu, Shape Format menu. Select the Shape Outline option and change the color. Now I am select the red color. You can increase the white. Go back again the option and increase the white. You can write anything. Click inside the text box and write any text. Now we can see we change the text box border color easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.